Good morning. Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, just come in 1 minute.
Oh, Abib joined for the assembly
I
in the
just
right
come.
time. I'm so happy by seeing him. Can you just turn on your camera?
Ma'am, I'll just come
Yes.
in 1 minute.
Yeah. Abib, Barira, Aishin, can you just turn on your camera? I can't see anyone. Barira, are you there? Aishin, can you hear me?
Yes, can you guys?
Oh, okay.
Ma'am, ma'am,
Yes, yes, yes.
can you please wait a minute?
Yeah.
I'm on
Okay.
this.
Barira, also please turn on your camera. And Abib, Al Fatih. First of all, give a big applause for Abib. Not Abib, sorry, Al Fatih, because he won the Lego Masters Challenge. You got the first prize here. Can you just turn on your camera? Barira, Abib, Al Fatih. What happened to Al Fatih? Barira, turn on your camera, Barira. I can't see anyone here.
Okay, I'll turn on my camera.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Are you having any issues with the Google Calendar again, or you are getting the notification properly now?
Wait, let me see.
Is that okay for you, Al Fatih? You are getting the notifications at the right time?
Oh yeah, it's perfect. My calendar is perfect now. Perfect.
Okay, so now you're not having any issues, right?
No.
Oh, okay. Okay. And Abib also, you are also not having any issues with the Google Calendar now, right? I don't know Abib is there or not. Okay, so Aishin,
Yeah.
good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
So Al Fatih is the first prize winner of Lego Masters Challenge. Okay, so give him a big applause, everyone. Congratulations, dear. And one more thing, like Barira, Barira, just look here, dear.
Parira.
Barira,
Parira, calling you, Parira.
what are you doing, the Barira? Can you sing a song, Barira?
Blah 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 blah. There.
That is the song? No, you can sing another song, a nice song.
I don't want to.
Okay.
What am I supposed to sing anymore?
Yeah, you can sing.
No, but let Aishin sing or anybody else. Mommy.
Aishin is actually having a cute voice, right?
Mm.
Oh, Barira, she just left because I told her to. Yeah, Barira is back. I think she went to decide the song. Yes, Barira, can you sing? Yes.
No. Ma'am, is this broken? From 1 p.m. to 2 p.m. there's a break.
1 p.m. to?
2 p.m. there's a break over here. Is it broken, ma'am?
Like, let me check that.
Is this a literal break of 1 hour?
No, no, it will not happen. I think maybe any.
Mine's not broken. And this day only has assembly. That's great. Also this. There's no any class. Oh, over here we have
Oh, yeah,
class,
because
but we have
Saturday and
club.
Sunday you're not having any class because of that.
On Sunday, why is there assembly? Should we join assembly on
No, no,
Sunday?
no, 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 no. I will just remove that. Don't worry. When is that 1 hour gap coming? On which day? Can you just show?
It is on, ma'am, it is on the 20th Friday, this Friday,
Okay,
tomorrow.
yeah, 1 hour gap. Yeah, I will check that because last year you're not having, right?
Yeah.
Maybe because of
Yeah.
that.
Yeah, me too. Next Sunday, then Friday.
Yeah. So last hour you will be like your classes will be done early because of that. Okay, Barira, can you sing, Barira?
Saturday first period recreation. So
That would
Friday.
be
No,
impossible.
I am not doing it.
You're not ready to sing. Abib, are you there? Just show your face, Abib. So today Ramadan is starting, right? How many of you fasting today? How many are fasting today?
No. I fasted yesterday too.
Oh, okay, okay. Ah, yeah. In India, it is starting today. Qatar, it was yesterday.
Yeah.
Okay, so Al Fatih, good. Then Barira, you're having fasting today, dear? Yes. Okay, 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 good. Okay, so Habib, can you just turn on your camera? Habib, can you just turn on your camera? Yeah, having one more competition coming. That is m-
March.
yeah,
Minutes to
minutes to
win.
win, minutes to win. So Habib, if you like to participate that for program to participate for that program, you can just give the name to me. Okay, Habib?
Okay.
Okay, then have a great day. Which is the first year for you today?
Nothing. It's just the summary it just shows.
Science.
Science, okay.
Ma'am,
So science, who is taking science for you?
what happened to
I
like ma'am? What happened to the ma'am?
I
What?
Yes, dear.
Ma'am.
I can't even say her name.
It's ma'am. Ma'am, what happened to arts and crafts and recreation?
Science class.
Yeah, but what happened to arts and crafts and recreation? Like usually they're not coming tomorrow out. Morning recreation first period. Let's change it ever. I want recreation or something. Tomorrow morning first period recreation. Ah, my wish came true
Okay,
already.
then bye. Have a lovely day. Bye.
Okay, happy Ramadan. Why? Does any nobody knows Ramadan?
I know, mother.
I know.